How to connect a computer with your Dropbox app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Just go to Dropbox. As you can see, this is the home page. Go to the top corner, click on those three lines. Now go down, click on settings down here. After you click on it, now scroll down, click on connect a computer, and now click setup. And here you click allow, and you will be able to connect your computer with your Dropbox app. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later.